You're summoning a damn demon. I want that shit to stop.
There's summoning devils over there.
I'm shaking now.
It's so strange.
It's creepy.
Very
Are they
creepy.
even allowed to do that?
I don't know. It's almost midnight. I don't know what.
That's gonna be happening at freaking 3 a.m.
What is it? Like, what is it even? Can you make out anything they're saying?
What the heck? Look, it's all red. If you look through that fence, it's all red.
They're saying the same thing over and over again.
Who goes to those things?
I don't know.
I'm shaking it now.
I don't even know where it's coming from.
Isn't that
Obviously
the Yeti?
down there. The Yeti is over there, so I'm assuming it's the Yeti.
Those people probably like it.
I don't like this.
Can you come with me downstairs? I want to get my phone so I can record this.
Are you?
I'm
Are you scared?